Hello everyone. In this video we are going to create a live streaming app in Flutter. So we are going to use ZegoCloud APIs that also provide us UI kits for video call or voice call or live streaming app. So it is a very great platform to create communication apps. So here click on products and here live streaming. You can read more about this. So you can build interactive live streaming and reach millions globally with the help of ZegoCloud. It provides you APIs and SDK. So this is the all features that ZegoCloud is providing. So these are live interactions, streaming battles, and live stream forwarding, screen sharing, real-time messaging, face beautification, virtual avatar, virtual gifting, watermark branding, super resolution recording, quality monitoring. So these are the best features that ZegoCloud provide in a live streaming. And here click on UI kits. So ZegoCloud give you all the UI kit for live streaming app or video call, chat app, all these applications. ZegoCloud provide all these UI kits for these applications. So it provides 20 plus UI kits. It is open source, cross-platform, easy customization, ready to use, and it gives you 50 plus components of UI kit. So that is the all benefit of ZegoCloud that provide you all the UI kits. So let's start. First we will sign up into ZegoCloud. So you have to create your account. It is very simple to create account, and I have already created my account, so I will log in. So I have logged into my ZegoCloud account, and this is the dashboard of ZegoCloud. And go to project section, projects management, and from here you can create your own project or you can use your old one. So I will create new project. I will select live streaming, next, and give a project name live, and you can use SDKs or UI kits. I will use UI kits. ZegoCloud provides UI kit, so I will use this. Start with UI kits. So my project is creating. So my project is created, and select your platform. I will use it for Flutter. So I will click on it, and just click start, save and start to integrate. So our project is created, and this is the app ID and the app sign in of the project that we will use in our application. So I have created a Flutter project, but we have to install a package for ZegoCloud UI kits. So go to pub.dev and search for the package Zego UI kit live streaming. So this is the package Zego UI kit pre-built live streaming. So you have to install this in your project. Copy this one and paste it in a pubspec.yaml file under this Cupertino icons, and import this package. So before creating our app, we have to add some permissions in our app. So first of all, copy these permissions and go to the Android app src main and Android manifest.xml and paste here. And you have to create a folder pro guard rules.pro in your src folder. You have to create that file proguard rules.pro and copy this one and paste it here. And copy this one. You have to put this in your build.gradle file. So these settings are very important, otherwise your app will not run. So go to build types, release and sign in config. Put this here and change the compiled SDK version to 33. So the settings are done. Now let's code it. First of all, we will create a utils file in which we will save app ID and app sign-in of the ZegoCloud account project. So class utils and here static, we will create a static variable integer app ID and static string app sign in. So go to your ZegoCloud account and copy this app ID of your project that you have created. This is the app ID and app sign in. So remove this all code. We will code from scratch. Flutter material dot and we will also import a package, live streaming package. So this one and future main async. This will be the async run app my app. So I will create a my app class stateless my app and it will be material app debug show checked when false and title Zego live streaming and home screen. So we will create this file home screen dot import package filter material dot So we will import this package in our this one home screen, and we will create another file. We will also import that package in that folder file. Stateful home screen. So first of all, we will create a live ID controller in which we will get text from text text form field, text editing controller, and final string user ID or random dot next int plus dot to string. So basically we are generating a random ID for the user. So when a user open their app, there will be a random ID for them. And it will be, this will be scaffold, and in the scaffold we will use padding for some space, and we will give it a symmetric horizontal 24 and child column. And it will be main axis alignment dot center. So the all the things will be on center on the screen. So first we use a size box 20 height and a text your user ID. This is the user ID we are generating in the size box height 30, and we will use text form field, and we will give it a controller that we have created here, live ID controller, and decoration, input decoration, label text, join or start all live by input and ID, and border line input border. So just leave this is not important, and use another size box 20 height, and here will be elevated button, text start a live. So import this home screen, and first run this app. So our app is running, and let's do some designing. Let's add some border, outline input border. So we will create another file for live screen live screen view dot dart dot package. So it will be stateless widget live screen view. and we will pass some values from home screen. So we will use final string live id and user id. Final bool is host. So we will check if the user is joining the live or is starting the live, or so we will check these. Create a constructor required this dot live id user id and this dot is host. So this will be safe area and the child will be. So here we use ZegoCloud UI kit. So import this one. Zego UI kit pre-built live streaming and app id will be utils dot app id. Then this is the app id we have saved in our utils dot file, and app sign in utils dot app sign in. User id will be user id that will come from home screen, and username user id. Live id will come from home screen, and here we do some configuration. We will check if the is hosting or it is joining the live. Is host Zego UI kit config dot host. Dot audience. So these configuration are important. Here we are checking if the user is hosting the live or it is joining the live. So our live screen is ready. Let's work on button. So start live. So when user click on start on live, so it will be, we will navigate it to live screen view. Navigator dot push material page route in the builder. Context live screen view, and here we pass the live id. It will come from text form field, and user id leave it null and is also true. So when a user start live, it will be a host, and create in other button, it will be join a live. So here is host will be false, and it's all will be same. So our app is ready, but you have to check it on real devices, two or more real devices, and sometime it will not work fine on emulators. So for better result, check it on real devices, two or three more real devices. So that's all for today. So you can see how we created our live streaming app within few minutes. So all thanks to ZegoCloud that provides APIs and UI kits. And you can go to ZegoCloud and sign up, and you will get 10,000 free minutes that you can use, and so you can create your own applications.